This thing's heavy, man. This is solid metal. In my build series, I'll open it up and just make sure it's all greased well. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to my first scale hardbody build. Now I will be doing this hardbody build for RC4WD's Go Scale Day build, and that's for May 1st. You don't have to drive a RC4WD rig on that day, you just have to have a scale build. And it's not really an event, it's just drive wherever you are on May 1st and just take pictures of your scale build. For my scale build, I will be building a Toyota LC80 Land Cruiser. This is a hardbody from RCRun of the Toyota LC80 Land Cruiser, but in this video I am going to show you what chassis I'm going to use, and for that I am going to use the RCRun Run-80 chassis. The RCRun Run-80 chassis is supposed to have a very scale similarity to the actual LC80 chassis. So we'll take a look at this. We'll do an unboxing of this Run-80 chassis. Here is the box. It's a pretty plain box. This is their email address. Let's see on the back here. You can see some of the parts that we'll be using on my scale build. This is the RCRun interior for the LC80. This is the Run-80 chassis. And this is the RCRun LC80 body. Alright. So if we open it up, the packaging is very nice and well laid out. And here we got the manual, and I'll go over each one of these parts, taking them out, show it to you, and just so you can see what's included in this kit. Most of this kit is metal. I don't think there's any plastic, or hardly any plastic at all. So let's go through it. Up here at the top corner, if I could fish these pieces out. No idea what this is yet. Comes with a servo horn included. So far, every part I've taken out is metal. Here are the springs. Here are these shocks. These are not oil filled. They're friction shocks, but they're really scale looking. Comes with metal drive shafts. These are all the links that are included. Very scale looking. I'll have to see what's going on here. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be that way. Alright, let's move on to the next layer. Cool. Here is the chassis rail. Really cool. You can see how this chassis rail is really flat and it will allow you to use that interior. Here are the axles. These are metal axles. It's got CVDs already. I'm pretty sure they're already greased, but it's always a good idea to open them up and grease them and double check. So nice looking axles. Of course, I will be going over all this in detail when I actually start the build series. So if you want to see more detail of this kit, make sure to watch out for my build series. Hardware parts, hexes, more hardware, still more hardware, and even more hardware. Alright, this here is really cool. This thing is a scale fan for the motor, and it's even got a belt system. So when the motor turns, it turns this belt system, which in turn turns this fan. Really, really cool. So I can't wait to see that in action when I have it all set up. And when the motor is running, I can't wait to see this little fan turning with that belt action. So that's going to be really cool. And last but not least, we've got the transmission. So you can see the motor goes here. It fits a 540 size motor. I've heard people can use a Hobbywing Fusion, which is a 515 length, but you're going to have to space out that motor fan a little bit further, so there's going to be a little slight gap. I might try something where I just create like a 3D print to go around this diameter just to make it look nicer, but this thing's heavy, man. This is solid metal. In my build series, I'll open it up and just make sure it's all greased well. Yeah, this is pretty darn heavy. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing of the RCRun Run-80. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I can't wait to get this build started. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. So hit that notification button. Please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for my LC80 hardbody build with the RCRun Run-80 chassis. Thanks for watching.